Hello, welcome back to Bell's Reading Corner, Reading F. Okay, so today we are going to talk about too many unicorns. Once upon a time, there was a unicorn named Sue. She had a horn, she had wings, she had a rainbow tail. She lived in Animal Land. She was friends with a cow and a dog and a bear. But she was the one and only unicorn. That made her feel sad. One day, Sue saw an ad for a place called Unicorn Land. I must go, she said. She said goodbye to her friends, then off she flew. Things were different in Unicorn Land. At first, Sue felt happy. Sue saw unicorns at the mall. Unicorns, unicorns, unicorns. Sue saw unicorns at the lake. Unicorns, unicorns, unicorns. Sue saw unicorns at the fair. Unicorns, unicorns, unicorns. Guess what? There were just too many unicorns, so Sue felt sad. What did Sue do? She left Unicorn Land and flew back home. Guess what? Sue was the one and only unicorn again. But now Sue felt happy. She was different. She was special. Then the unicorn named Sue and his friends lived happily ever after. Okay, that is for the reading today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.